Dito lang ako makabawi. Itlog, please open again.
Sandman, I heart you, Sandman. This is amazing.
Chance ko na rin
doing it
to.
on my behalf. Yes.
Chance ko na rin to.
Hello sa aming 1 million subscribers. You're watching DS Games Philippines and we're playing Love Letter with Kill Uncle, Skido Levino, Itlog, and Sandman. And Sandman, take it away.
Thank you very much, Itlog. Yes, dito lang ako nakakabawi kay Itlog dahil kasali ako, tina-target ako Itlog sa Love Letter. Apparently, of all games, sa Love Letter ako nabuburat. So, naglaro kami ng Love Letter. Paano kasali? We are using netgames.io. Check it out. It's a free site. It has a lot of games, one of which is Love Letter. So, 4 players kami. First to 4 points. So far, 2 points na si Kill Uncle, 2 points si Itlog. Tig 1 point kami ni Skido. And we're gonna start the game. I am gonna start kasi I won the last game. For the first, para may airtime ako, gagamitin ko na ang handmade card. Para may airtime po tayo. It is Skido Levino. Kahit guard, naka-handmade po. Ginamit niya ang guard on Itlog. Itlog is not the princess.
Princess.
Okay, it is Itlog's turn. Itlog is, ita mo, wala akong guard. Sinubukan natin. Itlog is guarding Skido. Skido, he's guessing as the countess. Hindi countess si Skido as of right now.
Very well. I am choosing a guard on...
Guard na naman po. Ginamit niya
Skido, king or prince? Pababa lang yun.
Pababa lang.
Ever.
Actually, that's the right thing.
What? Why are you attacking me? Oh God. You're the one who's leading.
Don't worry, I'm choosing a prince.
Okay, hindi rin
so it must be a king.
Si Skido.
What?
Wow.
Gagamitin ko ang...
Baron.
Prince guard on...
What's that? Prince?
Prince.
What's a prince do?
Sige, para lang pantay. I'm gonna use it on Kill Uncle.
What's
Kill
the prince
Uncle,
do?
you will discard your card. You will replace the other prince card with the new one that you just have right now. Prince din pala si Kill Uncle.
Yes.
It is Skido Levino's turn now.
Handmade myself.
Uy, nakakaismali. Dapat si Skido.
Why would you handmade? That means you probably have a countess or a princess.
Oo, dapat kay Skido ko pala ginamit yung mali. Si Itlog na po. He is gonna use the card on Sandman. Sandman is not the...
King.
Nahuli na naman ako ni Itlog. I had the king from the start. I've been eliminated.
We can end the game now para talo.
So that was another bit. Sino na? Okay, Itlog pa, okay? It is Kill Uncle's turn na dapat. Itlog pa. Okay.
Ay, sorry.
It is Kill Uncle's turn now. Grabe, nahuli yung king ko.
So ako na lang pala yung target.
Malalaman niya ang card ni Itlog. Click mo muna, Kill Uncle. Yung kay Itlog. It was highlighted by default.
There. Okay.
And si Itlog, alam na ni Kill Uncle ang card.
I see.
It is
I will murder Skido.
Skido's
Kill Uncle, don't target me. I will murder
He's using
Skido.
the guard card on Itlog. He guesses Itlog to be... not the princess. It's Itlog's turn now.
Wait, what
happened? Skido.
Ibabaran niya si Skido. Out na po si Skido kasi
that's Skido's card.
Baron lang siya nakalagay doon. Kill Uncle 1.
Thank you.
Nakuha mo yung princess after kung nag-prince sa'yo. Did you get that?
Yes, thank you.
I used that on myself. But I gave
you the credit.
Oh my God. So,
Wow.
3
Pag
points
ginamit
na.
mo yung sarili mo.
Uncle's leading.
Pag ginamit sa sarili ko, makukuha
Pag
ko yung card.
ginamit mo sa sarili mo, ako may princess. Pero i-guard kita next, tas makikita ko wala na yung king.
Oo.
Oo, wala rin. Dapat na target talaga. Recorded. Target talaga ako ni Itlog. Anyway,
Cut.
let's wrap the game up. Go ahead, Itlog.
Oh, right.
Pag naman na palang hit, okay, Itlog. Go ahead, Itlog.
And that was another game of Love Letter. Of course, again, napatay ko na naman si Sandman. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe, and notification button. Then leave a comment if you want to join. Goodbye.